Just got to the hotel. They actually upgraded us. We were supposed to be in a different place, but they upgraded us and gave us a suite, complimentary. So happy birthday to me. Fun views. Look how nice, this place is so nice. It's me. Oh look. Shit. I look like a toe. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Wow. Pretty freaking cool. Vegas day one. I don't have any makeup on yet because I'm probably gonna go to the gym later and shower and all that stuff, but I wanted to get in my airport clothes and my hair is super dirty. Like, I usually go for this hairstyle when my hair is super like ridiculously dirty, but look at this freaking mirror. So many selfies are gonna be taken in this mirror. Super tired, so ordered lunch in the room, and look at this. This is a Hawaiian Beyond Burger. I'm gonna try and pick it up so you can see. It's like the Beyond Burger with some vegan cheese. There's a grilled pineapple on there, lettuce. That looks so good. And then these vegan cheese fries that have some onions on top, and then a chocolate milkshake. I'm so excited. Meal one in Vegas. So far, looking pretty damn good. So far. Hopefully we're here to make more money. And I look like a toe. Good morning, Vegas. So right now I am waiting for my breakfast to come. I ordered from the Modern Vegan. I ordered vegan chicken and waffles and a smoothie, and then because I have absolutely no self-control and because my birthday is tomorrow, I ordered 4 donuts from, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting what the place is called. When it gets here, I'll show it and I'll name the place, but I ordered 4 vegan donuts, not just to eat like all right now, but like, you know, I was thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna have a birthday cake while I'm here, so donuts will have to do. They'll suffice as a birthday treat. I feel like whenever I travel, I feel like whenever I travel, it always kind of turns into a food tour. Like, I'm always searching for good vegan places and good vegan food, and that excites me more than anything else when I travel. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait for my breakfast to come, and then I'm gonna eat breakfast, and then I'm going to get a hot stone massage, which I will not be recording because I can't take my camera there. And then I haven't decided yet. I think I'm gonna go work out after my massage. Well, I'm gonna get lunch probably, and then I'm gonna go probably work out. I haven't totally decided. It's not like a make or break thing if I work out while I'm here. If I do, cool. If I don't, it's fine, because there's a lot of other stuff going on while I'm here. But yeah, so I might work out. I might film that and make like a separate like hotel workout video type of deal. If I don't work out, then I don't know, we'll see what where the day takes me. I know that later we're going to get dinner, and then we're going to see the Cirque du Soleil. I forget which one it's called, but yeah, we're gonna go see that, so that'll be really fun. But yeah, I'll be back when my food gets here. See you soon. We're so close to getting these donuts. Are you kidding me? Tanya, come through. I'm so excited. This is a smoothie that I ordered. They called it the Cosmopolitan smoothie. It has bananas, peanut butter, blueberries, maca powder, agave, and vanilla almond milk. It's freaking delicious. And then, look at this. This is the chicken and waffles. There's asparagus, there's mashed potatoes under there. There's vegan chicken. I think there's vegan bacon on this too. I cannot wait to just like totally freaking devour this. This looks incredible. Yeah, like I said, I ordered vegan donuts, and it was so weird. It said they were on their way, and then the lady called me. She's like, oh, I'm here, but the hotel that I'm staying at, it's connected to another hotel, like they're connected. So she was at the other ones, and when she called me, I was like, oh, I'm at the Delano, not the Mandalay Bay. They're like connected. You just have to come outside and then go back through the parking lot. And I was standing like right out in the parking lot, and she's like, okay. And then she hung up on me and then canceled my order, so I had to reorder the donuts. So they'll be here soon. Anyway. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Like, literally fucking crazy good. This is so good. Like, damn. The donuts have finally arrived. Let's see how they look. Oh, that is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my god. That is, these are works of art. These are truly works of art, and I don't even need a birthday cake. Like, who needs a birthday cake when you have this? Today is my birthday. I am turning 24 today. Last night we ended up, let me think, we went to dinner, and I think I forgot to film what I had for dinner. I didn't really have anything that special. And then from there we went to the Cirque du Soleil show, and that was cool, but I couldn't record anything there. I think I took like one clip of like the set stage thing with my phone before it started, which I'll insert. But yeah, that was cool. And then after that we just kind of walked through a bunch of different casinos. We played a little bit. I don't really like gambling because I lose my money, except last night we played roulette, and I doubled my money on the number 11, which is my angel number. I see it everywhere. It's so crazy. But then I lost it again after that. But I did double my money once on roulette, so that is what matters. That's what I'll be telling people, that I doubled my money. That's all that matters. But yeah, and then so today, just for during the day, I'm kind of laying low until a little bit later. I actually, you know, like that feeling you get like right before you get a cold where it's like, you're not sick yet, but you can like feel it like festering inside of you. That's how I kind of feel. So I took a shower and I'm feeling a little bit better now, but I just have that like pre-cold feeling in like the back of my throat and in my nose. I don't know, it's really, if you know what I'm talking about, then good. If you don't, then I'm sorry that I'm explaining this really weirdly. But I kind of like feel like a cold's coming on, so I'm just kind of laying low, and then when Connor's done with work, we're going to, I think we might hang by the pool, and then I tossed the idea of going to Cinnaholic, and then we're gonna go get dinner at a vegan place, and then after dinner we're going to see Blue Man Group, and then from Blue Man Group we have to catch our flight. Our flight's literally not till 11 o'clock p.m. Las Vegas time, whatever, I forget exactly what time zone this one's called, but we're not landing back in Philly until like 6:30 a.m. tomorrow, so that'll be fun. I'm gonna feel totally dead. I'm really bad at falling asleep on planes, so I really hope that I'm able to fall asleep tonight and just sleep on the plane. I'll just have to maybe drink and induce myself to sleep or something. But yeah, so that's the update. I'm actually I found Del Taco on Grubhub, and I'm so glad that I thought of this, because I want to try the Beyond Meat taco so bad, and it just dawned on me like, wait, like there might be Del Taco in Vegas. So I searched on Grubhub, there it was. So I'm waiting for that to come, and then of course I'll show you when that comes. That'll be my lunch, and then yeah, if anything exciting happens between now and when we go hang by the pool or whatever we decide to do, I will show you. But yeah, just kind of laying low, giving my body a little rest. I feel that cold coming on, so I've been eating fruit. I want to try and make it stop. It's my birthday. So here is the Beyond Taco. I'm so excited to try it. It looks so good. And then I also got just this bowl. It has like rice and beans and tomatoes, onions, whatever. And yeah, oh, and I also got the strawberry lemonade. That sounded really good. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this. I'm so excited. Okay, super messy, but that's really good. What a world this is. I'm so glad I got to try this. Whoops. This is really, really, really good, you guys. Sorry. Gross. Wherever you live, go get the Beyond Taco. It's super good. 10 out of 10. So good. Love it.